Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and we are here today because we are doing my September Stitch Fix box. Basically, Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. A personal stylist chooses 5 items to send to you in that box. It can be clothing, it can be shoes, it can be jewelry, it can be whatever. The items get sent to you in the box. You try them on in the comfort of your own home. Anything that you decide to keep, that $20 gets applied to whatever you keep. However, if you keep the whole entire box and you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So we're gonna go ahead and get into my box to see what I got for this month. So shipping is free both ways. You get this prepaid envelope to send anything back, or if you have to do any exchanges, you can put them in that envelope. This envelope right here has my style card with my stylist note, and I'm going to read that real quick. And it says, "Hey, lovely Jennifer, did the school year start yet? I'm not sure if I've asked. If I have, I'm sorry for repeating myself. But what do you teach?" I teach 4th grade. "Can you believe that we are talking about fall already? I'm in denial since that means my baby girl is going to be 2 in a few months. Well, I guess I should stop chatting and get started with your fix. You mentioned you'd like to start receiving some fall pieces like fall colors, and that's exactly what I have for you. I pulled deeper hues that are on trend for fall. From greens to reds, you're going to be rocking that fall vibe. Keeping with that theme, I found an olive duster cardigan that will be perfect to layer over all your floral tops, even the Mahalo top in this fix. I couldn't find a solid black pant, but I'm sending a plaid style that we love for autumn. I hope you enjoy. XX Kara." And then you have your price invoice sheet for your box. I'm going to take a look at my bundle. And this is what it looks like. I see those deep colors she's talking about in the pants. And this side looks like that. This side's a better view. All right, first on top we have the Fortune and Ivy Helina mixed material blouse in dark green. And it looks like this. It's a nice shade for fall. It's got like that polyester feel in the front. It's got some 3 buttons going down the front, and on the back it has the soft cotton. So yeah, that's really pretty. I like that color. The only thing I'm not real sure about are these roll sleeves here, these short sleeves, but overall I think that's really cute. Looks really soft. I think I like that. Next is the Staccato Mahalo tie neck top in red. And it looks like this. It's got some buttons down the front. Oh, it's got a tie. That's what I was missing. It's got a tie right here. So I guess you could tie it at the top if you wanted to, or leave it hanging. It looks like it's definitely a high-low, so it's got a longer back, which I like. I like to cover my bottom. It's kind of almost like an orange red. And there's a picture of the floral. So yeah, that looks like something I would wear for sure. Put a cardigan over that, perfect for the classroom. Next is the Laila Jayde Bowie 3/4 sleeve Dolman knit top in black. And it looks like that. Just a basic black Dolman top. Feels really soft. I like Dolman tops as long as they're not too big in the armpit area. So yeah, that's cute. Doesn't look really long, and it's kind of thin, so that might be good to transition into fall. And next is the Love Ellie Benhill Pointelle Duster Cardigan in olive. And I think this is really, really long. But it looks like that. And it's kind of see-through there, so it's not real heavy, but it would be perfect for fall. It's got some designs there. It's got some slits on the side. I like cardigans. I don't know about the duster. I'm tall, so it might work really well, but we shall see. And then we have probably the thing I'm the most nervous for. Cut from the cloth, Elyse printed slim straight leg pant, and They look like this. And it says it's a skinny pant. I did ask for black pants, but she said she couldn't find any. I just don't know how I feel about checks on myself, but we will find out when I try them on. I have trouble getting pants that are long enough for me, so I guess next we're gonna do the try on. Be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with that first top, and this is the Staccato Mahalo tie neck top in red, and it looks like this. I love a basic tank top with a floral print. I've got it tied at the top. It's shorter in the front and longer in the back, which I like. And I think you could leave it untied too. Let's see what that looks like. Untied, it looks like that. For school, I would probably tie it just to keep it closed up a little bit more, but yeah. I just have it on with the pants that I have had on earlier. Now, she did suggest putting that cardigan over top of it, so we'll see what that looks like. But it does have some greens in the floral print, so we'll see what that looks like. Overall, I think this is a really cute little top, and it would be good for transitioning into fall. So I'll be right back with that cardigan. All right, I am back. I've got that cardigan over top of the tank top like she suggested. And it's very, very long. I have just on capris right now, but obviously if I was gonna wear this, I would wear black pants. But you can see it comes well past my knee, and I'm 5'10" tall. Well, I shouldn't say well past, it comes right below my knee. It's got the slit on each side. I like the olive color. I don't know that I love it over top of the red, but you guys tell me what you think. I know it has green in it, but over top of the red, it almost makes me feel like Christmas. Sleeves are a good length. Looks like that in the back. Definitely comfortable. I just wonder how it would wash up. Most of my stuff from Stitch Fix washes up well, so I think it would be okay. Might need to check the care instructions. But tell me what you think. This is one of the items that I wasn't completely sure about when I took a peek on the app, because I like cardigans, but like I said, I just don't know how I feel about super long cardigans, and maybe it's just that I need a different top underneath to feel like it looks more put together. So, but give me your input and let me know what you think. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with two pieces. I have on the Laila Jayde Bowie 3/4 sleeve Dolman knit top, and then I have the cut from the Kloth Elyse printed slim straight pant, which I was most nervous about, and I actually really like them. They're really cute. I'm gonna step back so you can see. They're long enough. They come down to my ankle, which is good. I have trouble with the length of pants, so I was a little worried about the Dolman top because I like my tops to come down a little bit and cover my bottom, but it actually covers my bottom okay. The sleeves aren't too big. I like that. So yeah, I think I actually like this. These pants are actually really comfortable. So I think this is 2 thumbs up. Tell me what you think. And I am back with the last top. I just left on the pants cut from the Kloth, and this is the Fortune and Ivy Helina mixed material blouse, and it's got that polyester front with the buttons, and it's got the cotton, soft cotton feel right there. It's just a touch longer in the back, enough to cover my bottom, which is good. And I think it looks really cute with these little pants. So, very soft. Love that material right there. So tell me what you guys think. I was really unsure about this box, but I think Kara did a good job. And I guess she knows me better than I know myself. So we'll get right back together and do a recap. All right, guys, so we are back to do the recap, and this is fix number 13 for me, and I've had Kara the whole entire time, and she has done a fabulous job. When I looked at the app and I saw these pieces, I was not really sure if I was gonna like very many things, but I'm pleasantly surprised with what I liked in this box. So We'll start off with the first top was that Staccato Mahalo tie neck top in red. And like I told you, it's more like almost like a burnt orange red. And I think I really like this top. This is $38, and I think I'm keeping it. Next is the Love Ellie Benhill Pointelle Duster Cardigan in olive, and it is $44, and I actually ended up liking it, and my husband really liked it over top of that red top. So really comfortable. I do think you'd have to be careful with picking it, and when I checked the washing instructions, it was machine wash, lay flat to dry. So, and that's $44. I like that. Next is the Fortune and Ivy Helina mixed material blouse in dark green, and it's $38, and that was this top, which I thought was really cute and soft and great color for fall. And then I was really surprised by these cut from the cloth Elyse printed slim straight pant, and it says it's in black. Now these are pricier because they are cut from the cloth, but they are super stretchy, almost like a legging pant. And here's an up close of the print. It's just gray and black, and they fit perfectly, the length and everything. So, and of course, cut from the cloth, they are $88, but for me, finding pants is very difficult, so I think $88 is a pretty good deal if you can find them to fit me. So, and then the last thing on the list is the Laila Jayde Bowie 3/4 sleeve Dolman knit top in black, and it's a little pricey. It's $58, but I thought it looked really cute with the pants, and it's super soft. It's thin, but really good for fall. And so my stylist pick subtotal was $266. The buy all 5 discount of 25% makes it $66.50 that you take off. And then the order subtotal would be $199.50. So tell me what you think. Give me your input. Should I keep it all? Do you think it's a 5 for $5? Would you wear that olive green cardigan over top of that red top? Give me your feedback. I'm also going to leave my referral link in the description box below, and I'll let you know what I decided to keep and send back. But so far, I think I'm going to keep it all. We'll see. Until next time, bye guys.